Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay guys, so today I want to show you the demo of Tinybit-Hand Geture. So first we turn on the Tinybit and then we connect the Bluetooth on this. BBC Microbit-Hand and it connects. Now as you can see it's already moving the tires, but because it's detecting some commands. So what I can do here is basically controlling the time using hand gesture. So first I can do this, maju, and then mundur, and then right, then left. So what I use in this program is the cardboard LofiRobot Teachable Microbit and using the Teachable Machine website. So to get no more of this stuff that I use, let's go into the code. Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So the video you see before was the demo of my hand gesture. Now, what is a hand gesture? So, hand gesture is one of my projects in 8th grade that is using Tinybit, and for the software is using Teachable Machine, MakeCode, and LofiRobot Teachable Machine. Now, this project's overall is utilizing your hand to move something of a robot, a car. Now, the theory is when I do this, and when I do this, and when I do this, the car will move. For example, when I do this, the car will move forward. When I do this, the car will move to the left. When I do this, the car will move to the right. Now, about the code. Now, I didn't memorize a bunch of the codes, but this is most of them. So now I'm just gonna delete this now. We're gonna start with the basic. First, we drag in. We're gonna start with the basic now. First, I'm gonna drag in on Bluetooth connected. Show icon. As you know, when I connected the Bluetooth, it will show this icon. Now, after that, we're gonna do the opposite. On Bluetooth disconnected, we're gonna put an icon. X means disconnected. Now, and then for us to know the name of the device, I'm just gonna use forever, and then serial. Oh wait, no. And then we go on to basic, and then show string. Then we go on to serial, and then we go to more, and then control. Then we go to more, then device name. So this is the basic of the code on Bluetooth connected and on Bluetooth disconnected. So what this will do is when the Bluetooth is connected to the app, it will show an icon checklist, and then when it's disconnected, it will show an icon X, and then the microbit will forever show a string of the device name. Now, let's get to the hard part. Now, if I remember, first we go on to Bluetooth, and then Bluetooth on let receive new line. and then I'm gonna speed this up, and then oh yeah, don't forget to put on start because I have a variable speed. I'm gonna set speed to 100. Now, uh, I'm just gonna make this code now using the logic if and then if wait. Alright, so I'm just gonna skip this because this code is a little bit long. So see you. Okay. Is it recording? Hello? Test, test, test. Okay, now I'm gonna explain. So I have all the codes arranged in here. So what do we do now? We're gonna set the data on Bluetooth word rate until new line. Then we're gonna put it in here. And then we're gonna put this. So this actually one of the go from Bluetooth control, but we're not gonna use it. So set data to Bluetooth word rate until Python code. So this until end, and then set speed to parse to integer subsequent data from 3. So what this actually does is, if it were to be a, uh, if it were to be a Bluetooth control code, it would use a slider. But we're not gonna use that. And then I already created this organized code. Now, let's put it in here now. So something of data from 0 to 3 equals as 1. So back again. If this were Bluetooth, we would use this slider. Now, this I've already arranged all of this now. So we're just gonna basically do this. Uh, First, I'm gonna just put it right here, and then put this right here. Now, I'm just gonna construct the code, this, and then like this, then like this, then like this. Now, we're gonna change it a little bit. I'm gonna put this inside here, and then I'm gonna put this here. Okay, now I'm gonna explain the code. So, what this does is, on Bluetooth, they receive Python code, set data, Bluetooth word until Python code. So this is the one, and then set speed. Box integer. I've already explained the set speed data, and then all of them. Now I'm gonna explain this to you. So what this does basically is, if they receive the data equals module or forward, I'm the else if gonna run the code, run speed. So uh, the core control speed is gonna take from the variable speed that we have inputted. Now, same thing goes for data equals mundur, and then data equals kiri, kanan, and then nothing. So if we receive data nothing, the car will stop, and then if we receive the data horn, the car will play a horn. In this case, I use musical funk. Now, this is all of the code. So maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.